Hello everyone. Namaste from Tarot Tales 369. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new here, thank you for watching. If you are liking the videos, please do share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notifications. Also, if you are interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. So today's reading is for a collective in terms of love. So this is a full-fledged love reading today. Okay, so we'll check out. I don't know whose energies I have picked up. Lots of emotions going on here. So let's check out what's there and who resonates with this. So take what resonates only and leave the rest for others to resonate. Okay. So let's check out what's going on here. So this looks like that situation in your love and relationship where you may be moving on from something that drained you emotionally, that has shaken you to the core. Okay, and there is this new emotional or romantic offer coming for you. A reconnection is possible here. Okay, so you are standing your ground. See, there you are defending yourself possibly from some beliefs and emotions or a romantic situation, most probably. And there's this romantic or emotional offer coming for you, a new one, but it's not without challenges. So probably you feel the need to protect your heart or set strong boundaries. So this is very much like you may be defending your emotional space, or trying to protect your vulnerability here, while a message or offer of love is either incoming or being considered by you. So you could be facing competition here, and you are being doubtful and showing that inner resistance about not showing how you actually feel. Okay, so definitely you were in this relationship where you faced a few challenges, and now you defended yourself, and you were like, okay, I'll move forward. Then you are getting this new opportunity and new proposal, but uh, again you are feeling like, okay, this is whenever you give a chance to someone and you meet someone, you feel like, okay, this is very immature energy. Someone is not fully involved in this, and you just move forward, and you are definitely tired of uh, carrying this burden of your choices, and there are a lot of illusions or maybe a lot of options you have. So you are definitely feeling weighed down, okay, by possibly emotional confusion or the pressure of too many options. This is about carrying too much on your shoulder, whether emotionally or mentally. Okay, and not knowing what's real versus what's illusion. So something might look tempting to you, but is it right for your soul? That is what you are questioning every time. So you are carrying a heavy emotional and mental burden here, and the cups then suggesting you that there are a lot of options, so you are confused by this. Okay, you're overwhelmed, mostly, and you're unsure which path to take here. Okay, possibly due to your own wishful thinking, or those emotional distractions, and burdens and those illusions around it. So this shows, okay, every time you try to invest in such relationships, so you are always getting let down by them. Okay, and then further the cups show that there is a walking away. So you have walked away from something that once mattered to you, and likely emotional, that romantic thing. Okay, and in search of true soulful connection, this is like your soul requirements, your soul urge. So you're not investing in anything on the surface level here. So this shows very disheartening, and this is a deep turning point for you. You're walking away from something emotionally unfulfilling to you, and to find a more authentic and mutual connection. There should be equal give and take for you. And this could be about leaving a stagnant situation, or that mindset of a person, to allow space for a true and heart centered bond, to grow into that long term stability. So definitely then you are being provided that two of cups next. you see that card. So this shows a transition from something dissatisfying to something more emotionally fulfilling. So you might be going to bump into something, or you have already been in their surrounding, who is ready to give you that emotional fulfillment, and there's equal give and take of emotions and love and everything that a person wants to invest in something serious. So definitely that thing is coming for you, which you were asking for so long, and you are indeed living for something that is deeper. Okay. And next then you have got so many options. See here, there may be rapid messages, or maybe traveling somewhere, or decisions are coming for you ahead. So this also the sword, the king brings in that rational thought process. Okay, think logically, and you are maybe blurred by all these emotional mental stress, but the king is telling you to, okay, now wake up and clear your head from all these thoughts, and think logically and be direct in your communications now. So you are stepping into a more emotionally detached path, and clear thinking role is what is the need of the hour. Okay, also sudden communication or swift action is coming your way. Okay, possibly involving some kind of clarity and truth. So you are being asked to be this person with strong mental discipline. Okay, this may involve important decisions, or maybe a blunt conversation. You have to weigh facts over feelings. Okay, so prefer that, because there's this new energy, and there's a sudden power shift in your reading. So a passionate new beginning is forming for you. This could be a new project or new idea, or maybe a new person is coming towards you. Okay, it will spark new love. So with the pentacle king, there's potential for something long term. Maybe you are so tired of all these relationship issues, and you now have decided to, okay, I'm not going to focus on all these things, and now I'm going to focus on my career, or maybe some kind of a work. Okay, so you want to divert your mind. uh, this is like this potential was something long term, and stable and very grounded, especially in your practical and financial terms. So it's like a very passionate, new beginning, a spark. It could be a new person is coming towards you, probably. Okay, if you are not ready to focus on your work thing, and if you are so much too involved in such some kind of relationship, so it indicates that someone is intentionally drawn to you, and is coming towards you. So there's the sudden attraction. Okay, uh, initiating something new and exciting, and that is full of potential, but that's the thing to consider here. Okay, so think of it as a yes card for some kind of romantic action if you want. Also the king of pentacles is showing very loyal, grounded, and very mature person, someone who doesn't rush, but when they commit, they are in it for the long time. Okay, so this represents you are stepping into space of knowing your worth. If you are not accepting the offers as of now, so you are like, okay, if not no, if someone is coming, well and good. If no, then I'm going to focus on myself, and I'll work on myself, and you are knowing your self-worth and desiring that consistency. Okay, so whatever you have went through, and whatever you're going through uh, is all there's going to be a major shake up for you. The tower card is here. Okay, so something is crumbling down, and maybe your illusions are coming down, and something is breaking here. So a truth bomb is maybe coming towards you. This is like breaking down whatever is built on false foundations. Okay, so possibly connected to your emotional confusion or burdens you have been carrying so far. So it may be painful, you know but it clears the way for real growth. Okay, So the tower here changes everything, a revelation is coming, a breakup that has happened for you. So a truth you did not expect. Okay, this could be a shake-up in your love life. But don't fear it. Sometimes the universe clears our way to make a space for good things to come in, and whatever is false foundations, they're making space for the divine love. Definitely with the two of cups, you're meeting your soulmate. So what falls apart now, is meant to. So let it go, let it transform you. Don't resist it. Okay. Also, the four of cups are being offered to you. So you may be emotionally numb now. Okay. It shows you're ignoring that and you're not seeing a love offer because you are so tired of, your false commitments and whatever, you have experienced in your past. So now you're not interested in, taking that cup of love or whatever connection is being offered to you, possibly out of fear and disappointment, definitely. And you have this emotion fatigue at this point, but the universe is offering you something. So you are not seeing that, okay, the cup is coming. See, look at the hand, it's coming out of the cloud, but you are so numb and you're so disinterested that you're not looking at it. Okay. But at the end, what we have got is the Empress here, and the Empress is appearing to say, okay, this is all meant to happen, and she is reminding you to, own your power, your beauty, and your ability to create love, effortlessly. This is divine feminine energy here, definitely, and you are being asked to receive and not to chase. Okay, this is a card of self love here. Just look at this Empress, so abundant, so Venusian, that feminine, divine feminine energy is here. So this is your call to love yourself first. This card of self love. Okay, treat yourself well. Okay, and nurture yourself and only accept what truly aligns with your heart. Okay, and nothing, no bullshit. Okay, and the Empress is doesn't settle for anything less. She attracts what's worthy of her. So this is your card, this is your reminder here to choose only the finer things in life. Okay, the Empress invites you to create something and heal yourself first. Something beautiful may be around you, or is going to be offered to you, but you are not fully open to receiving it yet because you are so invested and you are so dull. Okay, so perhaps due to past hurt and that exhaustion is here, definitely. So this Empress is here to remind you, okay, let go of the past and reclaim your worth here. The love you're seeking is seeking you. Okay, but first it's time to align yourself with your Empress energy. Just look at the woman sitting on the throne, and she has this crown over her head. So just wear your crown and sit in that authoritative posture, and carry that energy. Wear those flowy clothes. Okay, and just treat yourself well first. Okay, see what we do to ourselves, how we treat ourselves is how the universe responds to it. And then the universe sends you the people and the things you are aligning yourself with, you know that level. So this is time for your self love. Definitely let go of all those past things and hurts, and stay grounded in your Empress energy. Okay, don't chase anything, just let it come to you with both devotion and desire. If someone is only bringing you only the passion, see, there's a lot of wands here, so that fire, that passion is here. So if you are getting those people, so just deny it. And only the if the pentacles are coming you, so no, you need, your soul needs this you know connection. So wait, the Empress knows her worth. Okay, what she is worthy of. Okay, so ask for consistency here. Okay, you deserve both the fire, but also the foundation here. Okay, that stability here, that long term commitment. Let bygones be bygones here, okay? You have gone through so much, and you have been hurt definitely, okay, with those immature and unfulfilling offers in the past, okay, that have not lived up to your mark, okay. But you have a lot of options here. You have so much, new things coming towards you. There's definitely the tower moment happened for you. Maybe a bad breakup or something has fallen down definitely. But look at those wands here, ace of wands, and with the king, just keep your head clear, and you're definitely new opportunities and new things are coming towards you, okay. Maybe your money is coming also. So a person with everything like love and passion and money, okay, everything that is coming for you. But first you need to treat yourself right, love yourself, and makes yourself capable of all that. And now the time for the card from our ancestor guidance here, the card of advice. Okay, so we have got Isis. What a beautiful energy here. Just like our Empress card here, this is a confirmation again. It's reminding you of your divine feminine power here. It says, your dreams, visions, and goals are becoming reality. Stay focused. Just it very much resonates with your full and reading here. So Isis is the goddess of rebirth and magic and sacred transformation. So it is telling you to not just healing. You are activating ancient wisdom here within yourself. Okay, you are remembering who you are. You are not just looking for love. You are becoming love, and that is the key here. Okay, she appears when you're going through a deep emotional transition, often tied to your past life love. So this is for your twin flame energy, soul evolution through relationships, because we have got the two of cups here. So this is the soulmate energy also, okay? And Isis is telling you through, nothing is lost here, only reborn in new form. So this confirms your full reading here, and manifest your divine truth, okay? Stay focused, and you're creating a new story. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and namaste.